If you're looking for a high-quality fireplace mantle that's versatile and easy to use, you need the new BuiltRite series from Dimplex. BuiltRite is a patent-pending design that lets you customize up to 36 configurations to suit your project needs. This all-in-one package works for cabinet-style installations in front of the wall or flush-mounted installations where the fireplace is built into the wall. With a choice of classic white, rift oak, or burnished walnut, the Christina model BuiltRite Mantel lets you pick the perfect finish to suit your project. For an added touch of custom style, choose an optional faux stone fireplace surround in either black granite or travertine finish. Finally, bring the entire project to life by choosing the fully featured BFSL33 firebox, or for the ultimate electric fireplace experience, choose the Revolution RBF30. With BuiltRite Series modular mantles, you can finish a complete installation in the time it would take to run the gas line to a traditional fireplace.